We've restocked a bunch of shirts on the website, including these two designs. There are some XL talls of this, very limited quantity though. I've got a lot of overstock right now and some random stuff, so if you buy 2 shirts, I'm going to throw in a third for free. So if you buy 2 XLs, I'm going to throw in a third XL, a random one, you're not going to know what it is, for no cost. And I'm only going to put this on YouTube right now. I'm not going to share it on Instagram. I'm not going to announce it anywhere. So for the first couple of days. So this video is going up Thursday. I'll run it through the weekend, and then next week I will put it on social media if I have any left over. So buy 2 or more shirts and get a third or whatever for free. All right, enjoy the video. We're back from Forbidden, getting ready for mini nats. The Tuesday after Forbidden, which means Danger Zone is this weekend, and we leave for mini nats the weekend after that. We're taking the truck, haven't even unloaded it from Forbidden, just gonna take it straight over to Tanner's and get some stuff done for mini nats. Tanner cam coming right up.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Where's that? Get him! Get him! Kill!
Come on!
Kill!
Come here! Oh yeah. Your living room's full of parts.
It's halfway clean. Oh. We'll leave next week. Go to mini nats. We'll be fine.
Yeah, you got a week and a half. Looks like someone's driving a mini nats. Just like this. This is the perfect battery strap.
Wired by Tanner.
Okay, what's your advice on sound deadener?
If you won it at a raffle, probably should throw it in the garbage can you threw your beers in.
Dynamat.
Get what you pay for.
1/2-inch Dynaliner. This is what is recommended to make it nice and comfy in here. Right there. 4 boxes.
How much we hanging out over there, Tuna?
You're about 4 inches.
Let me see that again. Hold that up. Damn, dude, 4 inches? This is center here. You're gonna do something like center. Little guy in there. Oh yeah.
Explain what you're doing.
Put carpet in.
Tell me what you're
Look like,
doing.
idiot.
Give me a technical.
What is this? A podcast for the blind?
I'm gonna have Tuna narrate this because you don't tell me anything.
No.
Steaming the carpet so we can mold it.
He's steaming the carpet so we can watch him mold it. It's hotter than 2 rats humping in a wool sock. Oh no, she's above one. It looks like Panda on Saturday night of Forbidden Fantasy.
Barely got any right there.
Right here?
Yeah, there you go. Now what do you do?
Those are the people who are going to turn me into the HOA over there. No, I'm just trying to get this carpet done. I'm trying to get my truck done for mini nats, and I'm here screwing with your
Mine will be done for mini nats. What about yours?
Yeah. No, mine won't be. Okay, you're going to have to set the camera down.
Okay. A lot going on right now. We got glue, steam,
and this womp, 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 womp going on my ears right now.
We're at Bell Upholstery.
Hold on, Daniel's gonna be on TV now.
Hell yeah, I'll be famous, bro. Changing the thread right now, switching from black. So this attachment right here, it's a binding attachment. It'll put a nice edge on it. That way we don't have all that frayed edge. Just make it look nice and clean. Professional.
Professional.
Mm-hmm.
It has been a whirlwind of a couple of weeks. After the Forbidden show, we've been over at Tanner's putting carpet in, putting a stereo in. Now I had to pull that midweek, then go to Danger Zone. And then now I'm back from Danger Zone. And now I got to go back and get the trailer from storage where the truck is. Take it back over to Tanner's to mount the seats. And then Wednesday, today's Monday. And then Wednesday we take it to Panda's to do a couple of things. And then we leave for Mini Nats on Saturday. We are at Panda's, getting the last of the things done. And then we could load this trailer up with our booth stuff and get on the road to Mini Nats. Yeah. I am over strapping and unstrapping this thing. I'm just ready for it to be back from Mini Nats so I can drive it. Whoa. Okay, gotta do this.
What? What?
What?
Is this factory steering wheel size or like bus? Does this come out of a city bus?
I think.
No, it looks. Let's open it. Have you opened it?
I've never. Been waiting.
You opened it.
Oh, now you're gonna have to give a 10 wrap.
Ooh.
Hold up.
Oh wow. Let's hold that up in front of your wheels. Dang, dude. You fancy, bro.
It's almost as big as my wheels.
Dang, that's tight. Dang, dude. I like it.
You got a razor knife?
Oh yeah.
Look at chips and salsa. Someone ate half the bag of chips though before they got here.
This is from that guy that was like, yo, I'll engrave you stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
So Dead Broke Customs.
Broke Customs.
I don't know.
I was gonna send him my turbo.
Can you see it?
Don't
Hold
move.
on.
There you go. There you go. Woo, dang, bro. Dang.
It's like Christmas around this mofo.
Killed it, dude.
Yeah. So if you want anything engraved, Dead Broke Custom.
I just would hate to like rip or damage any of this. You know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying though? You didn't catch any of that, huh? Okay, cool. The so like the front, obviously it's attached to the factory mounting spots.
Yeah.
So we're coming off of the sheet metal and making it, or do you want to go recessed in a little bit? That way it just like comes to like behind this. I'm just thinking that if you mount to the body and this catches on something, these are gonna get damaged under it. So as long as Tanner doesn't drag this truck again, you're not gonna have that issue again. You know what I'm saying? So I noticed in that other video too, he had to drag the green truck.
Yeah,
while he was
yeah.
pulling it
Always,
out. Oh,
always.
Yeah. That was tight though. That was pretty cool.
This is fucking superior. I'm gonna go fucking superior.
Yeah, I know.
Once I get, see, I'm going to Sholo next.
Let's go to Globe, dude.
Go to Globe, Miami.
Miami would be nice.
Top of the
Nobody
world.
out there. I don't know who thought they could do exhaust. Stereo guy. Just a stereo guy. It's like, yo, if you have two welders,
You're not a stereo guy.
trying.
No.
Nah, that was rude. That was really rude. I'm bad. It's all good. Here's a little insight, right? You pull into a show, your truck's still running, it lays out, your exhaust is pointing at the ground, and everybody looks at you like you're an idiot. Exhaust. Straight back. Not down. Back.
Yeah, but then it burns wheels and stuff.
No, don't point at your wheels.
What if you pointed at your gas
Vehicle.
exit?
The vehicle.
What if you pointed at your gas tank?
Like we just did?
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It's a race against time over here. Trevor's got to go home. He said. And I don't want to come back here tomorrow and get this thing because it's like an hour and a half away. And I know I always complain about that. I should probably just move over here. Plenty of land? I'll wait till the housing market crashes. Almost done. load it up, take the inner fender things home and paint them. I thought I was done at Tanner's. I'm not. We forgot to wire up the taillights. And he's still working on his truck. I can hear the welding over there.
Yeah, whatever.
What's going on?
I'm wearing my church gloves.
What's today? Today's Thursday. Redoing the bags, giving people like a timeline. So if they see you out there, they know you ain't messing around. Why can't I show all this?
I got my panda working on it. Actually looks like a panda.
You know why I can't show this?
This is my outside shop.
Because you talk on everybody else's work, and now you're fucking rushing to get it done. So it looks like everybody else's work. Yeah.
4 days I've been here welding on this
Yeah, you
mini
have it.
truck. Yeah.
Oh, you blew the breaker 75 times.
Yeah, because you have no power in this.
You have it's 230 to run your cell phones.
Yep.
Infrastructure, blah blah blah.
Yep.
Unlike you're from Switzerland, where they have mini marshmallows and hot chocolate. You can't do that all
Sweden,
the time.
dude, not Switzerland. You and you're American. You're half Canadian, you mother. Or you're Canadian because you're gay.
Wild times over here.
Yeah.
Wild times over
For
here.
sure.
We went to the moon. You guys never been there.
It's not like Tanner has anything else left to do to his truck or much else to do left on anything else, so I'm just having him help me wire the new taillights in.
For the second time, you sold the other one I did, made money off of me.
I actually
Not
lost.
really a friend
I
deal
lost a
before.
lot of money.
Yeah.
Washing the truck, getting ready to leave. Frank's almost here. Using this new Eye Candy car care. So Frank at Eye Candy Paintworks, a good buddy of mine, started a cleaning product line, and he's got car wash, he's got wax, he's got tire care. So go on Eye Candy Car Care on Instagram or go to his YouTube page, Eye Candy Paintworks, and check it out. Get back to getting ready. We are 1 week away from the show. Well, so it's Thursday. I was just over at Tanner's. He was getting his truck ready to go, making my wiring harness. Truck's in the trailer. Scooted about as far back. Yeah, so we scooted all the way back because there's going to be a lot of weight up on the front end of the trailer. I'm actually going to put totes in the bed of the truck. And then we're going to put totes there. That's all Lindsay's stuff. Putting my stuff in now. Frank's bringing his stuff, and then we load the bed of the truck with all the tables. But yeah, first trip. The truck's like 92% done. We didn't get the back wall done. We didn't get the kick panels done. No stereo stuff in it except for just the head unit. Just a couple of small things, but it runs, it drives, it looks great. And, oh, I still have to put the rear panels in. You don't have a full head of hair? Oh, look at it.
No shoes, no hat. Like, oh my god.
No service. We're leaving, I almost said for Coachella.
For Coachella.
I've been watching
It's Shelly weekend.
Coachella clips on social.
Oh, you're recording.
I'm recording.
Shelly weekend.
Show you what we have going on here. The truck, all of this nonsense that is stacked up, strapped down. The entire truck has got stuff in the cabin, even in the bed. This is insane. First gas stop. We're just gonna have a lot of gas stops.
Brian showed, we should have figured this out the last trip, but Brian showed me that we have an access panel to see how everything's riding. That case down there moves a little bit that way, but...
Video.
Which video?
The ballroom blitz one. I gotta do it here.
Oh, I don't know when it starts. Oh yeah.
What if I get hit by a car? We're in Oklahoma, getting gas again. We've gotten gas quite a bit on this trip. But yeah, everything's gone smooth. It is Sunday. We're trying to get about 4 hours out of Maggie Valley tonight. So we only have a couple hours to drive tomorrow.
I just met a nice old man over there. he said, what does that sign over there say? I was like, dripping springs. And he's like, what does that mean? And I was like, I don't know, it's either the town that we're in or there's some springs that are dripping over there. And he's like, that's what I was trying to figure out.
Looks like I get to tow you in the Nissan. The minority. Yo, we're out at Southeast Ready Trucking National. How you doing? I'm Brian. Good.
Good life. I thought it was like it was cheap, like a commercial for cheap